Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating heat and soap together. That loosens the bond. Use hot tap water or boiled water, adding 1 to 2 cups into the pan and 1 to 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Bring it to a gentle simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, not a roaring boil, because steam helps lift burnt proteins without warping the metal. Once done, let it cool slightly so you can safely test lifting with a soft spatula and avoid scratching the surface. Now you tackle the stuck food itself using gentle abrasion and chemistry. Sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of baking soda over the damp interior. It raises the pH slightly and helps release proteins. Use a non-abrasive sponge or nylon brush and scrub in short circular motions to avoid scratches. If the residue resists, return the pan to low heat for a couple minutes to loosen bonds, then scrub again. Make sure to rinse occasionally to check progress and avoid rubbing grit into the metal. Finish by rinsing thoroughly and drying immediately to prevent water spots. Then rub a few drops of oil to restore sheen and protect the surface. For stubborn carbonized patches, make a paste of white vinegar and baking soda, apply, let sit 5 to 10 minutes, then scrub gently. This works because acid breaks down burnt sugars while baking soda buffers and abrades. If stains remain or the pan has warped, stop intensive scrubbing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.